Semalam, Lembaga Pembangunan Industri Pembinaan Malaysia ataupun CIDB telah membuat pemeriksaan di 110 tapak binaan. Penguatkuasa CIDB telah mengarahkan 7 tapak binaan untuk ditutup. Begitu strict SOP yang dikeluarkan oleh CIDB.
Have you heard today's news? I want to make an emergency meeting for our team so that we can discuss the solution.
Hi everyone. Okay, thank you for joining our discussion today.
Hi everyone.
Since this recent pandemic event, we will change our construction system to industrialized building system (IBS), as it is more ideal and also one of the ways to practice sustainable construction. What do you think, Ms. Aida?
Yes, it's true indeed. As we all know, our project falls into residential building categories. If we take a look into the sustainability side, IBS does make a big impact since it will lower the wastage in our construction, which is good for the environment. Yet, the infrequent issues might be encountered is this system will lessen the number of job opportunities because unskilled workers needed on site is lesser rather than if we use conventional method. Still, it is an advantage for us if we use IBS during this pandemic because the rate of transmission of this virus will decrease.
I see. Okay, Ms. Ainul, could you please briefly explain the roles of civil and structural engineer?
As for me, the civil and structural engineer, I will provide the structure design and ensure the material used is sustainable. By using IBS, most structures do not need formwork, so usage of timber is minimal. The common issue about IBS is leakage for the precast concrete at the joint, so I have to ensure the bonds and joint are set accurately to form the building.
Another important part is our building design because we want to attract our client and investor. IBS is a very rigid in terms of its appearance, so to achieve an exquisite design will be quite challenging.
As an architect, firstly, I will transform the specification from the developer into a working blueprint. Regarding the design, site analysis such as key constraint features and the site surrounding are important. With the proper site analysis and a good teamwork, we will be able to execute our project as planned.
Very well. The issue that I think will happen in our construction site is related to the process of unloading structure from trailer. Trailer carrying large loads need more space to go through the blocks in our construction site. Due to the relative narrow condition of our site and having a variety of materials, we need to revise our site plan to facilitate the process of unloading the structures that have been produced by our IBS method. Infrequently encountered issue that found on the IBS system is related to the transportation. We had to start the process of delivering the structures during the daytime because the working hour during the MCO is from 8 AM to 8 PM. This will cause traffic disruption and will delay our progress at the site. The second infrequently encountered issue is related to our cost. We need more skilled workers, more machines and technology if we use the IBS method. With this, our construction costs will increase. Alright everyone, that's all for today's meeting.
Okay, I would like to say that IBS is the best for our construction because it is environmentally friendly. IBS facilities waste minimization and reduction, thus further highlighting its positive economics.
I also agree. I recommend proceeding with IBS method because we can keep the sustainability of the structure. IBS doesn't depend on the weather condition for the process of the precast concrete, so it benefits for us to assemble the concrete structures at any time.
True. I also think we should take the advantages of the IBS system to enable advancement in our construction site. We also can reduce the manpower requirements, which bring about less dependency of foreign labor. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.